You're listening to Sniper Marketing AI. Today we're talking about quick win audits, how to use AI to find a small number of high-impact fixes in your marketing instead of getting lost in a giant to-do list. Sometimes you don't need a new funnel, a new offer, or a new brand. You just need a few key improvements in what you already have: a clearer headline, a better follow-up sequence, or a more focused call to action. The challenge is spotting those quickly when you're buried in your own work. This is where AI works beautifully as a second set of eyes. Step 1 is choosing a journey to audit. Don't try to review everything at once. Pick one path like ad click to booked call or blog post to email opt-in. Gather the assets involved: the ad or post, the landing page, the form, and the follow-up emails. Step 2 is asking AI for a clarity check. Paste in the copy from those pieces and ask questions like, is it clear who this is for? Is it clear what problem is being solved? Is it clear what the next step is at each stage? Ask AI to point out any confusing or vague phrases and suggest simpler alternatives. You'll be surprised how often small wording changes unlock better performance. Step 3 is checking for consistency. Ask AI, are we promising the same thing from ad to page to email? If your ad says one outcome and your page talks about something else, you've got a leak. AI can highlight those misalignments and help you rewrite so the story stays consistent. Step 4 is looking for missing steps. Ask AI to list what it would expect to see in a strong journey like yours. Are you missing social proof on the page? Are you only asking for the sale once? Is there no reminder for people who start but don't finish? AI can help you build a short list of missing elements. At Sniper Marketing AI, we then narrow that list down to the 3 to 5 changes most likely to have impact within 30 days. Maybe that's a new hero section, an additional testimonial block, a short follow-up sequence, or a stronger final email. We implement, test, and measure. The point of a quick win audit is progress, not perfection. AI helps you move faster by spotting issues and handing you draft improvements, but you still choose what fits your brand and what to test first. If your marketing has been fine but not great, a focused AI-assisted audit might be the fastest way to create noticeable gains without burning everything down. To get a quick win audit plan from at Sniper Marketing AI, call 786-565-4749 or visit https:/snipermarketing.ai. And for daily prompts to improve your funnels, copy and follow-up, follow Sniper Marketing AI wherever you spend time online.